someday, in the not-so-distant future, it happens. The moment you realize you're ready for anything. Get a degree in emergency management from Jacksonville State University and be ready for where you're going.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, May 27th. I'm James Spann. Getting into a pretty typical summer routine here with the sun and out at times and the chance of scattered showers and storms. Coverage could be a little enhanced over the next couple of days with that upper low west of the state. Let's take a look at the water vapor satellite view. That feature is currently over the Texas Panhandle. And that's produced some unsettled weather for much of Texas over the past few days. And as that approaches, the heights come down a little bit here, the air aloft a little colder, the air a little more unstable. So, again, that should mean a slow increase in the number of scattered showers and storms. Got a flash flood watch west of the state over parts of southeast Texas today and tonight. That includes Houston. And in that same region, there is the standard slight risk of severe storms for much of central and south Texas. And again, this has been a very good rain event for them over the last several days where the drought has been so bad. And then tomorrow, that looks like summer, a slight risk of severe weather on the Canadian border. Montana, parts of North Dakota, had a pretty bad tornado in North Dakota yesterday, by the way. Very photogenic. There's a rain for the next 5 days. This is through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. It's got a big bullseye around Lake Charles, Louisiana. It looks like that's 8.2 inches, a huge amount of rain there. You can see the amounts are lighter here, but of course every day the amounts will vary tremendously because of the scattered nature of the showers and storms. Check the modeling today. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars. The upper trough is over the Red River. And down below that will be in a soupy air mass, the most widespread rain west of the state. This is the HRRR, showing what the radar could look like at 3 o'clock this afternoon, and that is your classic case of scattered storms. Looks like the radar has the case of the measles. And again, the problem we always have is trying to tell you, here at 6, 7 o'clock in the morning where it's going to rain at 4 and 5 o'clock in the afternoon. The radar will not look like that, but it will look something like that. Just be aware scattered showers will be out there. Upper 80s today. Tomorrow, the upper low feature gets a little closer, and again, this is suggesting the rain could be a little more widespread, especially over Mississippi and maybe West Alabama. We'll certainly mention a chance of scattered showers and storms. And the high tomorrow would be in the mid-80s. In fact, the NAM is only showing 81 tomorrow, and it's got a fairly elevated chance of rain. I think it all depends on where you are, where the clouds and rain is more widespread, maybe over West Alabama. Low 80s are possible. Could see upper 80s to the east. This is Thursday. The upper feature will just kind of lift out and weaken, leaving us in a soupy air mass. So again, very warm and muggy with scattered showers and storms about on Thursday. And with the upper low feature, not only could they happen in the afternoon and evening, there might even be a late night or a morning shower tomorrow and Thursday, so keep that in mind. This is Friday, and again, no dynamic forcing. We're just kind of lapsing into a summer pattern, a mix of sun and clouds, a few scattered showers and storms. And here's Saturday, and you can see ridging is kind of building from the Great Lakes down here into the Deep South. So the other thing we'll watch for is a backdoor front on Saturday, and that front is near Nashville down to about Greenville, South Carolina, and that might give us a little bump in the number of showers and storms on Saturday. And the question is, will it bring any dry air? Well, this is Sunday, and this run says no. We have seen other runs that suggested, yes, we could get into drier air, but this one saying not really. It stays soupy, the front dissipates, and that's what happens here in late May and early June. This is June 1st, by the way, the beginning of meteorological summer. And Monday, the air a little drier over Georgia. But again, I just don't think we need to mention, no chance of rain here. We'll mention a chance of at least scattered showers. And a week from today, pretty much the same deal. And hey, look down there at the Yucatan. Little tropical feature. June the 6th, that thing is in the Gulf of Mexico under 1,000 millibars. And, the GFS has been hinting at this for several weeks. The consistency in this idea has been good. And then on the 7th, it's got the thing near Pensacola with the big rains on the east side of that. So just be aware, the GFS hinting at some early season tropical mischief in the Gulf, and this wouldn't be a big hurricane, just maybe a rainmaker, and we're not saying it is going to happen, but the consistency and the idea has been good. This June the 11th, the end of the forecast, 591 heat bubble over El Paso, Texas, kind of nosing in here, and if that's right, that will be kind of hot and mostly dry. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News, at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.